Hi everyone, my name's Dylan Morton and I'm here in the Foodology by Univar Solutions Solution Center. Today we're going to make a delicious chocolate chip cookie recipe for all of you to make along at home. We're really excited for National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day, and I think you guys are really going to enjoy this recipe. Take our ice cold butter that we've cubed up and have let sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes. And we're going to cream it together with the sugar. Brown sugar here, we got about 1 cup. And the white sugar as well. Mix this on medium to high speed for about 4 minutes until it gets nice and light and fluffy. Add our eggs one at a time. And we'll mix this until it's just incorporated. Add our vanilla extract. So we have about 2 teaspoons of that. Go ahead and give it another good mix. If you want, you can always use vanillin instead. That'll help reduce costs, and it's a little bit more intense of a vanilla flavor, so you don't have to use quite as much. So now what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna mix all of our dry ingredients. Whisk this together. And we're gonna incorporate this about half at a time. And mix it on low. Don't go too fast or you'll have a mess everywhere. We're gonna go ahead and add the rest of our dry ingredients. We're gonna wanna make sure that we don't overmix it, so you're gonna mix it until it's just incorporated. That way our cookies don't turn out too tough. Got about 2 cups of chocolate chunks. You can use chocolate chips if you like, but I like it a little chunkier. We're gonna make only about 8 cookies, so these are gonna be pretty big cookies here. The nice part about this cookie dough formula is that they're actually gonna stay similar in shape. They're not gonna flatten out a whole lot. Our oven is set at about 400 degrees. And because these cookies are pretty large, these are gonna take about 12 to 15 minutes. And we'll take them out right when they're golden brown. Look at that golden brown. Delicious.